Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Today December 29, market gap down open. Previous day sell call continue, so same red color. After 10:40 am, market trend changed to buying momentum. From opening to 10:40 am, market was in downside. Previous day sell call follows. Only when market trend change, automatically you will receive call. It's an automatic call generator. Whenever market trend changes, you will receive call. Today first fresh call is this buy call. Buy at 42,594. That is our entry point. That straight white color line from green color candle. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. 106 point first target, second target is double of first target, 42,700. That first green color line is 42,700 range. 1 hour of the market momentum, it finally break out the first target range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.